Alright, get in that water, dude. Yeah, yeah. Just a foot. Just a foot. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Be careful, not too deep. It's gonna slip. If you slip it, you could slip and fall. This rocks are slippery, right? School, look up.
Oh my god. You guys, oh my god. You guys have to come here when you go to Hawaii trip.
Yeah, I'll be careful, dude. The wet rocks are super slippery. Mm-hmm, I saw that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, come on. Yeah, let's get back away from the slippery area a little bit. Alright, on the dry sand. Go ahead. There you go. There comes Mama with the shoes.
So wet, audience. Look, I am so wet on here. So wet, audience.
Oh, our too cool for school is getting his butt wet.
Okay, well come get your shoes on. Okay, I cannot stand when I get
Sin.
Yeah.
okay, well you
Place is called
Hawaii.
no, what is this place in Hawaii called? Sharks Cove.
Cove.
Uh-huh.
And I have to say, I think there's some sharks.
There's probably some sharks in the water, but we're not going in the water. It's too cold right now. It's getting dark.
Yeah, you see, oh wait. I'm doing my hand.
Move your hand, bud.
Yeah, it's getting very cloudy. I think it's gonna rain.
It's also close to sunset.
Yeah, so I'm gonna sleep in my grandma's room and not in this skater's room or Too Cool for School's mom room, but or my brother's room. I'm not gonna sleep in there. So yeah, you got. Let's give you a little.
Look at the drone.
Oh my God! How much I'm gonna go here?
You want to put it on the rock and have it take it off from the rock?
Yeah, but not the wet one.
No, not the wet one.
Yeah. said butt. B-U-T-T. I mean, I don't hear it. Take it off. Personally, well, that's not the first time I've ever done so. We're working on now. Our lesson. I think we should we're gonna drive back to the hotel eventually and show you guys in, and we'll soon go back to the lobby, soon go back to the hotel, get some dinner, and probably I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna hit the hay until the next day we'll film. But for now we're filming it now. So let's hold the camera. Let's get the
Oh, look at the drone.
The drone is recovered after the first crash flight, but it also recovered after the second crash flight. So
Can you look how stop messing with that? Why are you messing with that?
This is later. I almost said to school, but I'm trying to get the camera. So actually, guys, that's really pretty.
Uh-oh, it's starting to rain.
Oh my goodness, you guys. It's starting to rain. But it'll end like in 2 seconds. Let's get a little more time. Hello, drown. Dad, you had to cook for school, Grandma.
Okay.
Oh my God, that is flying.
All right.
I know.